Oh, that was amazing. Oh, we got a different magnet. We got pizza. We got a cooked lobster. Turmeric shot. Kombucha. I feel like we're on a health kick. Big dinner box. It is indeed the exact same. That's a shame. I guess if you've had a big party night, 2 boxes of pizza in the fridge is pretty normal. Okay, and this one. Oh, more Pizza Hut. We're big pizza eaters, it seems. It is. Oh, it's the pizza I would actually eat by the look of it. It's a cheese pizza. This one is. Oh no! Another soy sauce. At least all our magnets are different. That's kind of cool. Thanks for watching my adventure into Fill the Fridge. Oh, I might film them in a minute. I don't know if I can wait. You've been watching Nana. Thanks for making it to the end with me.